Happy Tuesday, everyone. Good morning, everybody. It is Tuesday. Jenny here. Welcome back to my page. And I'm continuing with this book that I just found yesterday. The 52 List for Bravery. It's a journaling book. Pretty much we write it in here every day. And yesterday, the question we're talking about, what are you planning to do in this wild and precious life? That was the quote from Mary Oliver. And I'm not sure if you're ever thought about this, what you planning to do in your life, or if you already, on your path of doing something adventurous. But today is the first list, list the words that associated with the bravery. I'm not sure what can you think of some words that relate to being brave. To me, it's more like, a fearless, or come out of your comfort zone, being uncomfortable. To me, that's being brave. Because oftentimes once we grown up, and in the life situation or workplace, or at home, you feel comfortable, what you're doing, and but you repeat your things every day, same thing over again, right? You get really good at it, you're very comfortable with it, but the same time we're not growing. The thing is, if you want to have a personal growth, if you want to achieve something, better, stay in the comfort zone, it doesn't really help much, right? So the thing is, we need to come out of the comfort zone, being brave, because, the things that we're fear is another word, associated with being brave, fearless, right? Another thing is, so when you don't have that kind of a feelings of being, fearless or comfortable, we come out of the comfort zone, we start something new, we learn something new, and that's how we grow, right? So yeah, today's the list is just, think of something associated with being brave. If you can think of some words, you can put it in the comment and just share with everybody. And what do you think about being brave? And to me, doing new things, learn new things, is being brave. And I just, I started picking up my piano lessons recently, because I dropped it off for many years since I came to Canada. Never really had the time, and that's another thing to make excuses for ourselves not being brave, right? We make lots of excuses, to not to do new things, not to learn new things. Learning piano is one thing for me. And also, doing this online business is also another challenging. Challenge yourself. That's another thing to be brave, right? To learn, to find the things that you never thought you were able to do it, but those thoughts, it's always just excuses. And believe me, we're capable of doing lots of things, and we just need to have the courage to discover it. And Tuesday again, today, it is our complimentary workshop again. If you're interested in doing online, if you're been scrolling on the phone, trying to find something, either supplement your income, or side hustle, or emergency fund, whatever the purpose is, you're scrolling, and you can check this out. Register name and email in the website, and I will send you more information about this online business. It is 6 p.m. Mountain Time, or 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and I will see you there. Be brave today. Have a good day, everyone.